अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
हम आज करने वाले हैं dual heel tap in and out. Alright, so this is again an ab move with a little bit easy for some people. It will be little difficult for some people, but no problem. Out, tap in and out, tap in and out. Don't move your upper body too much. Keep going, push, push, and count, push. Really working on your lower abs. You're just squeezing your lower abs, and this is the move is for lower abs. You know, the flabby lower abs जहाँ पे आपका बहुत ज़्यादा फैट जमा होता है and you feel कि यार ये क्यों नहीं जा रहा, ये क्यों नहीं जा रहा. You have to work on your lower abs. You have to burn those calories, and then you have to also focus on the nutrition. We hold punches. All right. We hold punches के लिए तैयार. Chest up, and we go into V. Okay, and do the punches. Push, 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 push. Come on. Go slow and controlled. Come on, push. Punch it, guys. Punch it. Come on. Are you guys enjoying it? Remember, you can always take a break. You can take a break. You can take a break and still do it. Awesome. See, he is doing in a perfect form. Come on, push, 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 push. Awesome, awesome, awesome. He's shaking. All right, come on, push, push, push. Punch it. Low plank, leg lifts. All right. So let me show you the move today. You have to go into the low plank. All right. Head to toe straight line, and then lift your leg slowly up. Hold it up for a few seconds, or you can hold it up for half a second, and then go on to the next leg. Keep the straight line. Make sure you keep the straight line from head to toe. All right. And this is awesome. This is a very good move. You're just squeezing your butt. Your glutes are working. Take a break if you need it, but you can push yourself. Come on, push, 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 push. This is a fantastic move for abs, for your butt, for your arms. Everything is working, and mostly these all abs exercises, real good exercises for core. अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे फिट. सी यू सून.